Welcome back once again to the world of knowledge, that is Bluebell Academy. Myself, Ghulam Muhammad from Talikot. We are going to have the live session after a long time. Just I want to make a confirm few things. Many of the students got confusion about the OMR sheet which has been updated by the Government of Karnataka Secondary Education and Examination Board. So now today we'll discuss about, by seeing this background you will come to know about what is the main theme of making our this video, that is purely related to. I like to confirm these things, that is an OMR sheet. What is the OMR sheet? I want to make you clear one thing, that is optical mark recognition, also called optical mark reading sheet. What is this optical? It is going to based on the electronic scanning, also we can consider this one. Second one, the most important, the below of that one, it is mentioned using how to use the instructions is to be filled to this OMR sheet. That is by means of instruction point. You can see that one. I can highlight you can easily organize this one, that is related to the you can use this filling the OMR sheet by black or blue, darken the circles of the answering while filling this form during the examination hall. Now do not make any of rough work on this one, because there is a separate rough work is being given for the mathematics solving. I want to confirm this thing later on in the next video. Do not fold or tear a wrinkle or staple on this OMR sheet. What is the meaning of that? So here do not fold, this reason behind it, it will be not going to scan properly. Tear in the sense, do not tore that one, again it will be not going to scan. A wrinkle in the sense folding, also we cannot do this staple on this one optical sheet. Reason behind, and you can see here one of the most important thing, that is related to the method of filling. Example, it is given in the corner of right side, that is how to fill this optical form. By making the exact form right side, it is given A, B, C option, that is to be right with the C1, no other things. So here we will be having the 12 instructions for the students in every sheet. There are 3 sheet: pink sheet for the mathematics, orange sheet for the science, and green sheet for the SST, that is social studies or social science, also we can consider. In that one, below, that is 12 instructions, 12 columns is being mentioned, that is register number, it is being given by the government in your hall ticket. And the next DIS code, SAT number, it is to be mentioned by your school. Candidate name, it is to be also mentioned, and gender also to be mentioned, whether she or he, male or female. And district code will be given by the district authority by your school. Even it is to be given the center code also, where you are going to appear the examination. And then candidates type, it's to be mentioned earlier. Now which type of the candidate, regular or it is to be the correspondence one. Medium of instruction, that is in which medium you are going to write the examination, Kannada, English or Urdu. Next, date of examination will be going to announce, and then you have to write the examination date. What is the physical condition? Due to the pandemic situation, this is being taken as the this is being taken for the in the form of those who are going to suffer from the corona, their condition is to be tested. Apart from that, right side you can see your photo is to be the stick, and the QR code is to be mentioned over there. It is to be going to scan in that one. In the QR code, what is the QR code? That is quick response code. When it is to be taken, your code is to be response due to the barcode, also we can technology making use of that one. Now I can see one more column in below the QR code. You can see here absent shade AB, in the sense it is the duty of the room invigilator or supervisor. He is going to observe things. Right from the pink sheet, 1 to 40 questions carries the mathematics, and 40 questions you have to circle with that one with the blue or black darkened ballpoint pen. Next one, that is student signatures to be mentioned in the left side, and room invigilator signature also mentioned. The same thing, 41 question number 41, the same instructions, and as well as the different format is to be given, same format is to be given for the below orange sheet also, and then same it is to be given. But one more thing is, here you have to keep in mind that for 1 to 40 is to be for the mathematics, 41 to 80 is to be for the science, and the next green sheet it is to be from the sheet 81 to 120, that is to be purely social studies. For that mass is to be assigned. Be careful while filling this form, because it is a so difficult task while you are going that one. You may write the answer in 10 to 15 minutes, might be probably those who are very intelligent, or they can take half of 50%, 1.5 hour time also. But the few or others, average student, 2.5 hour is enough to fill all this form. Extra time it is given more that to fill all those things. What is that? I repeat once again: register number, candidates hall ticket number, school DIAS number, SATs number. It may be given in the other sheet also, but make sure it is going to be helpful in the examination. If you write, you know the correctly registration number in that in the next column, that is DIAS code number, you have to write the number here separately. So I hope this is a very simple and structure of the video that you may going to be knowing about how it is to be helpful for knowing this one. So next video we'll have the discussion about how this is to be working practically live. So it is going to be very easy to understand you people. Thank you for this one. Make sure not to forget subscribe our channel and put a bell icon, and so that you can get every new updated video from that one. And next video we'll go and solve the model question paper, all the model question paper, so it will help you a lot. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next video.